A hard reset on your Tesla Model Y is like rebooting your computer. It forcibly restarts the car's central computer, which controls the infotainment screen, autopilot features, and other electronic functions. It's used when the system freezes, glitches, or becomes unresponsive. This is different from a soft reset, screen reboot, and a full power off. Think of it as a deeper system restart to resolve software issues. A hard reset should be performed when the touchscreen freezes or becomes unresponsive, preventing access to vehicle controls and navigation. Perform a hard reset for autopilot malfunctions, such as phantom braking, where the vehicle unexpectedly applies brakes without reason. Hard resets address software glitches that impact driving functions or other features, causing general system instability. Tesla even issued a service bulletin in January 2026 recommending hard resets for phantom braking bugs related to the FSD V13 beta tests. Always check for OTA updates first, as many issues can be resolved with software patches. If problems persist, a hard reset is the next step. This is the primary method for a hard reset. First, ensure your Tesla Model Y is in park and not moving for safety. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously. While holding the scroll wheels, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Continue holding all three for 2 to 3 seconds. The screen should go black, indicating the system is rebooting. Release the buttons and the brake pedal once the screen goes black. If your touch screen is partially responsive, you can initiate a hard reset through the menu. Start by navigating to the Controls menu on the touchscreen. Look for an option like Safety and Security or Service within that menu. Within that menu, there should be a Power Off option. Select Power Off and wait for the system to completely shut down. This achieves a similar result to the steering wheel button method, but relies on the touchscreen functioning to some extent. During the reset, the touchscreen will go black. This is normal. The system will then begin to reboot. The Tesla logo will appear, followed by the standard user interface. The entire process usually takes between 30 to 60 seconds, but can be faster in newer post-2025 models with upgraded processors. After the reset, you may need to re-enter some settings, such as your preferred driver profile or climate control settings. Important considerations when performing a hard reset on your Tesla Model Y include safety precautions and understanding what the reset does and doesn't affect. First and foremost, always perform a hard reset only when the vehicle is in park mode and completely stationary. This prevents any safety risks that could arise from system unresponsiveness while driving, such as loss of control or distraction. A hard reset does not erase your personal data or settings, unlike a factory reset, which restores the vehicle to its original state. Your navigation preferences, music settings, and other customizations remain intact after a hard reset. If the hard reset fails to resolve the issue and your vehicle is still under warranty, contact Tesla support immediately. They can provide further diagnostics or arrange for service center assistance to address persistent problems. Repeatedly performing hard resets may indicate a more serious underlying problem, such as hardware faults or software bugs that require professional attention. If you notice this pattern, avoid continued resets and seek expert help. As of late 2025, Tesla has enabled remote resets through the mobile app version 4.5 or higher. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Service or Support section. Look for an option to reboot vehicle or system restart. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the remote reset. Note that this requires app authentication for security purposes and only works if the car has a data connection. This feature offers convenient troubleshooting without physical access to the vehicle. Tesla is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics and predictive maintenance. Future Model Ys may automatically detect and resolve software issues through over-the-air updates, reducing the need for manual resets. Experts predict that by 2028, the vehicle's AI could handle resets autonomously during safe periods, such as when parked. This represents a significant advancement in vehicle technology. While this promises increased convenience, cybersecurity risks associated with remote access and automated systems must be addressed to ensure vehicle safety and data protection.